you love crock-pot cooking and you love for a chance to win a special giveaway, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, like I said, it is Crock-tober and I have a fun giveaway for you all. I'm really excited about this. You have a chance to win. All the information is going to be after this quick little video. I'm gonna have some slides put up that's gonna have all the details. It's a very easy giveaway. There's not much that you need to do, but there are a few little rules that you need to make sure you follow. And like I said, I'll have all that right after this because I wanted to show you quickly what the giveaway is going to be. So let's go ahead quickly over it. So the first item, I have these little claws here, and if you don't know what they are made for shredding. I didn't want to take them out of the package. Shredding meat. So when you cook your meat in the crock pot, you just shred it up. So that's the first item that's in the giveaway. There is 3 items in this giveaway. And I may do some pop-up giveaways throughout the month as well. So you're going to want to make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. I may be doing a giveaway over on Facebook, just like a pop-up one, or maybe on Instagram. I'm not quite sure. So you want to make sure you follow me on all those so you will not miss anything. Then I have this cookbook here. It's called the Quick and Easy Crock-Pot Cookbook for Beginners. There is no pictures in this book because it is just nothing but recipe after recipe after recipe. So this is the second item. And now for the exciting part of this, I have this 2-quart slow cooker. Yay! A 2-quart slow cooker that I will be giving away. So friends, these are the items that's in the giveaway that will last all month long. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and insert all the information on what you need to do in order to enter. Crock-tober 2023 giveaway. How do I enter the giveaway? Contest period. When will it begin and end? Crock-tober giveaway begins on October 1st, 2023 at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time and ends on October 31st, 2023 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Prize. What will I win? First item is a 2-quart crock pot, meat claws for shredding, and a crock pot cookbook. Eligibility to enter. Giveaway is open only to legal residents of the 50 United States and the District of Columbia who have reached the legal age of majority in their jurisdiction of residence at the time of entry. The odds of winning. The odds of winning the prize depend on the number of eligible entries submitted and received in accordance with these rules. How to enter. Comment on this YouTube video only. Crock-tober 2023 giveaway. You will not be entered in the giveaway if you comment on Facebook or Instagram. Comment must be made on this YouTube video. More than one comment will not increase your chances of winning. While you are commenting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future giveaways. You do not need to be subscribed for a chance to win. Eligible winner. Confirmation process. No one is a winner until Mama Needs a Goal officially confirms him or her as the winner in accordance with the rules. CommentPicker.com will be used to select the winner. Winner will be asked to email or text Mama Needs a Goal with their name and mailing information. In return, Mama Needs a Goal will send a code word to the email or text provided. Winner will then go to their original comment on this video and edit their comment with the code word. Once verification has been made, Mama Needs a Goal will send out the prize. Please note your personal information will only be used for this giveaway. Not sponsored. This giveaway is not sponsored by or affiliated with YouTube or any of the product companies. Mama Needs a Goal is not responsible for lost or damaged items in this giveaway. Thank you all. Thank you all so much for your love and your support, all the likes, the comments, and especially when you subscribe. It means so much to me. Also, please go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I wish everyone the best of luck. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and make sure that you hit that little subscribe button and check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites. So friends, good luck to everyone, and I hope you really enjoy Crock-tober. Bye friends.